Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In last episodes we made hummus, Ghanoush. These are served with a staple Middle Eastern bread called the pita bread. And in this episode, I'm going to make pita bread right from scratch. Making your own pita bread might look hectic. I assure you it is easier than what you think. Let's begin with the recipe. Into a bowl add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a packet of yeast, sugar, give a mix, and then add warm water. Combine everything well and then allow it to sit for 15 minutes. The yeast is activated. Next, add all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, salt, olive oil. Combine well, then knead it into a soft dough. Add little water if needed. I'm going to dust some dry flour and then knead it on the surface until the dough is smooth. Coat it with olive oil. I'm going to keep this dough in a warm place for at least 1 hour. The dough has doubled in size. Let's sponge and knead it. Add some dry flour as the dough is sticky. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it. Some more flour. And now I'll roll the pitas into 1/4 inch thick circles. You can vary the size as per your liking. Sprinkle some Semolina or Sooji. This will make it crisp and non-stick. Cover and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Bake it in a preheated oven at 500 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Flip it and then bake for 2 minutes. Look at that, how beautiful it looks inside the oven. If they don't puff up, wait for a minute. If still they don't puff up, then your oven is not hot enough, so try increasing the temperature. Pita bread doesn't always puff up, so don't worry, it's still soft and delicious. Wrap the pitas in a clean kitchen towel, this will keep it soft. I love the smell of freshly baked bread. We have got beautiful pockets. It's soft from inside and crispy outside. Serve with creamy hummus and some salad. This is so good. After making this pita bread at home, you won't ever want store-bought pita again. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay and please don't forget to hit the bell